and welcome back to my channel. As you've noticed from the title above or below or wherever you see it, we are going to be doing an unpackaging video. I just do want to specify that these packages that I did receive are from our LA local vendors, and there are small business owners, so I do want to go ahead and give them a shout out for everything that they're doing. You know, they're starting from the bottom and working their way up, which I give them a huge props for that. So I'll leave the description in the box down below for you guys to go ahead and check them out, and let's get started. But before we do, go ahead and get your drinks. I got mines and chips or whatever you want. Just make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Okay, so first package is from Red Devil Cosmetics. So this is the eyeshadow brushes set with the eyelashes bundle. So this is what it is. But I had just noticed that it has a spoolie and a card. Oh, okay. Excuse me. It's Lizzie Liz, Looks That Kill. So this is what came behind. So there you guys go, Red Devil Cosmetics, and it comes with 5 sets of eyelashes, which are very beautiful, and then of course synthetic eyeshadow brushes. Now I did want to feel these out because this is my first time actually purchasing from them, and I want to be able to tell you guys that these are going to be some really good synthetic brushes, which just by the looks of it, yes. They're very soft to the touch, which I really like, and since they're fluffy like this will, you know, give you an easier blend, which I really appreciate. You know, girls, keep doing what you do because you're working your way to the top. And you're making it. So it comes with 3 large blending brushes, 1 fuller blending brush, and then a smaller one. And it goes smaller and smaller. But then you got your flat round brush, but this one's kind of fluffy too, as well for this one. And then you got an angled brush. And then, oh, this is supposed to be like a round cut crease brush. There is gonna be I feel like you can tell this one was kind of trimmed. This one was supposed to be a squared brush, but as you guys can see, it still has some of that sticking out, like if they didn't cut it all the way down. And then you get a thin one. This is usually like for a gel eyeliner application, or if you have a glitter kind of liner, you can dip that into that and place that in. But overall, I mean, for the bundle together, because this and this, I mean this and this come together for a whole price. So I mean, go check them out while the bundle is still there and before they sell out too, because I mean, I know Red Devil Cosmetics is like flowing right now. No. So our bundle, I think it ranges from $16.99 to like $19, but I don't think it's more than $16.99. I'm sure that's how much it was. I can't really remember. But overall, for what you're getting and what you're paying for, it's a good price. So they're hooking you up for sure. Alright, so for our next package, we're going to go into another LA local vendor, and this is Homegirls Beauty Shop. If you guys are familiar with it, I mean, this is my first time purchasing from them too, and this is the first thing that comes in. It's a little card. It says Homegirls, young OG 90s vibe beauty shop. We consist of bomb vibes, glamorous and love. We hope you love what you purchase as much as we love your support. Hashtag love yourself. Hashtag pontes pilas. Hashtag Homegirls Beauty Shop. So go check them out. I will leave their link in the description below, but this is all their info if you do need to know. So let's see. The first thing I got was a sticker, of course, you know, just to support. I think it was really cute, the little teddy bear. It throws me back, you know, to high school days, you know. Alright, and then I got a set of eyelashes and what? Oh, dang. Okay, I didn't notice this, but I ordered the same ones. Okay, I swear I did not order these, but I did mean to order ones that were called Hoochie and the other ones were called Ratchet, but I mean, I'll try these out regardless and see what I like of them. But I mean, let me take one out of the box so you guys can see. These are called $10 Ho. So those are it. This is the packaging. If you guys can see there, it's a Jaina with her vato, you know, just chilling. Okay, let's pull these out. Okay, these are cute. I dig them. Okay, so these were $10, and that's how much I paid for these. As you guys know, that I'm sure this is for any website that you purchase from. If you buy a certain amount, they do give you free shipping. So these were $10, and I believe this one was like $5, or I'm not sure if it was $8. But I think as soon as you hit like up to 20 bucks, you get like free shipping. So I mean, definitely go check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below, and of course their Instagram, same as Red Devil Cosmetics. So be sure to go support them and check them out. Alright, so for our next package, this is our very last package, and this is from Junho & Co. I've been purchasing from them for as long as I can remember. When I first found out about them was from Nikki Tutorials. I'm sure you guys know who she is. Alright, so they are very famous for their microfiber beauty blender. Now, I honestly needed an order from them ASAP because they did come out with new colors. Their original color is a blue microfiber beauty blender, but I am so in love with yellow right now, so I had to go ahead and get a yellow microfiber beauty blender, which is weird because this one's like pointy. Okay, because usually they come like this where they're flat right here. Oh, okay. I'm so dumb. Okay, it's a lemon drop, so it's like an honest like lemon drop, you know, like a water drop. Okay, so okay, that's cute. I'm loving it even more. Okay, so I'm in love with yellow right now, which is like my all-time favorite color right now. But I also got the purple one because I was all like, you know what, I have to have all the colors. I have the blue one when it originally came out. I have that one, and then I got the pink one, and then of course purple and yellow. So I'm just gonna keep on collecting them as I go. I love this product so much because the microfiber beauty blenders are like better for applicating your foundation, and honestly I wouldn't choose any other beauty blender than this one. So that's our beauty blenders, and that's just my opinion on that. You guys can, you know, judge it for yourself. So I will be leaving the link in the description below so you guys can check that out for yourself. And then I also got another brush set. I love the brushes that they have too. So it's not just the brushes and the sponges, but they have a lot of good stuff on their website. And it's an affordable website too, because you're not spending that much. I mean, the microfiber beauty blenders originally started for $5, and because they became so famous, they ranked them up $1. So they're $6 now, and that's for every new one that they come out with. So this one's $6, this one's $6, which is fine because I mean, it's really good for you to buy a sponge that you know is gonna last you so long, and it's gonna work, and it's gonna applicate your foundation a whole lot better. This is All I Want Eye Detail Bundle. And actually this one's on sale. I got this one for $15. Originally I think it was $20. But I get an angled blending brush. Well, you get this. And And you get a spoolie. You get an eyeliner applicator, which is amazing. You get a small round blending brush. And then you get a miniature flat round brush. And then a thicker round blending brush. So all of this for the price of $15. Lastly, our double time brush cleaner. Now I have my brush cleaner. It's a little cactus, which they also have on their website. You can go ahead and check that out. But I only got this one. This one is priced at $2. I only got this one because I had this. And I feel like this is a type of thing that you use after you clean a brush. Like, for instance, you pick up an eyeshadow, you right away just dust it off right here, which would be better so you don't have to constantly be going to pick up a clean brush. You can just clean it on the spot. So that's it for our unpackaging for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will leave the links in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check that out for yourself. These products are amazing. I will be using them in my future videos, and you guys will be seeing that for sure if you guys continue to be watching my videos. I have a lot more packages to come, but I mean, you guys just have to wait. So you guys must keep your post notifications on. Keep that little bell ringing so every time I post you are notified. So you guys will be notified for that. It's going to be an exciting video. I kid you not. I have a lot to come. Believe it or not. But if you're here, might as well subscribe. Don't forget to share this video and tell everybody about it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. Instagram will be down there. Snapchat will be down there. And of course, I'm on YouTube. You're already here. So make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.